Hi everyone, nice to be back with you again this week. Today we take a look at the low-cost floor scale. It's kind of like that mirage off in the distance for the wary desert traveler. Is it too good to be true? Stay tuned. You may be wondering, should I purchase that $600 floor scale that I saw online? It may be tempting to save a few dollars with a cheap floor scale. After all, the capacity and size might appear to be the same as more expensive brands, and the picture you see online might show similar quality. But is there anything that makes a more expensive floor scale better than a less expensive one? Well, I'm glad you asked. Let's take a look. To start, you will need to determine if your floor scale needs to be legal for trade. Typically, less expensive floor scales are not certified as legal for trade. A general rule of thumb is if money is changing hands based off the weight of the product, then you will need a floor scale that is certified as legal for trade. Next, compare the electronic components that make up the scale. First, we'll look at load cells. Some lower quality floor scales use load cells that you cannot replace just one of the cells. If one goes bad, all four need to be replaced. Also, some manufacturers use unknown load cells that are sourced overseas that may have questionable performance or quality standards. Maybe equally as important as the scale components is the build of the scale itself, specifically the steel WeighBridge. Pay attention to the ship weight of the scale. The heavier the scale typically means the better build quality. Thicker deck plate and substructure is key to giving the load cells the structure they need to perform properly. If the floor scale is flexing and bending, the scale will not last and it will cause inconsistent weight readings. The last item, and possibly the most important to consider, is that indicator that comes with a floor scale. Is it calibrated to the scale base? Do you need a certificate of calibration with certified weights? Do you need a full numeric keypad to enter a tare weight? Do you want to tie your scale into a computer or a printer? These are all common questions that people come across when purchasing a cheap floor scale online. Many times, these additional tasks lead customers to spend significantly more money with their local service company in order to get the scale up to the level of functionality that they need. All of these scenarios are typically addressed up front when speaking with a salesperson or a scale company that specializes in high-quality industrial scales. One last thing before we wrap up the video. If a cheap floor scale is weighing your product light by just a couple of pounds throughout the year, it could mean thousands of dollars of lost revenue for you, depending on the value of whatever it is that you're weighing. As always, we would like you to make the most informed decision possible to help your business. We are here to help you with any questions you may have to help guide your decision. Be sure to visit centralcarolinascale.com to get started today.